everyone, my name is Irina Kabak and I am a licensed esthetician and a professional makeup artist. Thank you for visiting my channel. I'm very glad that you're here and watching this video. I love you for that. Today I will give you some ideas what Chanel face is and Chanel hair, and then I'll show you how I did this. This is very easy. If you are interested in this topic, please stay with me. So to recreate Chanel look, we need to go over some characteristics of Chanel makeup. First is a very clean, very luminous skin. Not too much foundation. You cannot detect the foundation on Chanel's skin, but it's very, very nice and smooth. And it has like this very natural glow without being too much highlighted. The second characteristic is a minimal blush. None of their models actually have a lot of blush on them. Chanel makeup features a lot of red lip. So different shades of red, different texture of red, but red lip is in the very center of Chanel's makeup. It's either red or nude. There is nothing in between at this point. They have lipsticks that are different color, but they post mostly red color lipstick. Fourth characteristic is a natural brow. There is no very defined brow on any of Chanel's makeups. It's very natural, it's barely filled in, and it's actually brushed up to make it look like it's a little uncapped. The fifth characteristic is a smoky elongated eyeshadow. It could be well blended or not blended at all, but it's dark color all over the lid and it's elongated. It's like ended in a little cat eye, but that's done not with the liner but with the eyeshadow. The sixth characteristic is no eyeliner or very, very minimal eyeliner. I haven't seen the eyeliner that's liquid. The only exception is in their last show they did artistic eyeliner, so it's either artistic or none. The hair characteristics are very simple. It's kind of like I have right now, light curls. It looks like you just rolled out of bed. They like middle part. Black ribbon is also one of the Chanel's things. So I decided to do this. This is very wearable, very easy to do. You just buy ribbon and you just tie it. You will see in the video how I do it. So I did this makeup look today for you. It's very easy to recreate. Let's start with makeup.